Uh-oh. That's not good. Rick, what do you think that is?
I don't know. Let me test it out here. Definitely a ball joint.
I was afraid of that.
Yeah, let's get to work. Welcome back to Twisted Edition. Today we have Mike's maintenance moments.
That's right, Rick. We're going to be working on some front end parts today. Oh. A lot of them. Oh my God. Oh, I missed one.
Good thing you're kryptonite.
Yeah. That's right, we got kryptonite. We are using ball joints, and while we're in here doing some maintenance work, we're gonna also replace the linkage for the sway arms and the bushings. So let's get to it.
You had to do that.
Really, dude?
You had to. Before we get started, it is 80-some degrees in here. That's literally in the garage. So I'm gonna go turn the fan on, so you might hear some noise in the background.
We are going to start by taking off the caliper bracket, rotor. These ball joints are angry.
Yeah, I know. I tested them for you. You didn't see a short. Go check out a short. Oh, he hit his head. He hit his head as you loosened it.
Actually,
you know what? You look like you're in Nate's position. Should I raise the truck a little for you?
No, I don't. No.
I didn't.
I don't think that's necessary.
Nate, do you need it at that height, or can we go up a little bit?
This is perfect height for me.
What is this thing hanging here?
Oh, that is a caliper hook that keeps the caliper from hanging from the hose.
Oh.
There's a lot of videos I see where people just let their
Like
calipers.
mine?
I wasn't going to say any names, but yeah, just like you.
Mike should probably buy me some of these. These are
I would love
fancy.
to. You know what? I think I'm going to do that.
No, don't do that.
Okay, I will.
I like to test out my hose strength.
Don't forget to unplug your wheel sensor plug because it gets in the way of the caliper. And that's got to really get unplugged anyway because that's all coming off. We're going to continue with taking the brake bracket off.
Boy, what the? You Hercules that thing on there last time?
Impacted that thing on there.
Impact? Mike, there's a torque setting for that.
Yeah, triple T. Torque to tight.
So when you don't know the torque spec, you just torque it to tight?
Yeah.
It looks like you overfilled that ball joint trying to save it for a little longer.
Yes, you are partially correct.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of grease. That's a lot of grease.
Don't look at it. Don't even look at it.
All right, we won't.
Don't touch it.
I touched it already.
I'll hit a cameraman if I have to.
What? You
Nick, incoming.
Oh, you missed it.
That was a bad throw.
Hold on, Nate. How tight did you make that thing?
I only used a 3/8 impact.
Oh my, dude. I guarantee you those are over triple T.
Quadruple T.
No, they're tightened to crack. oh my, dude, you're bending my 3/8 or my 1/2 inch freaking extendable ratchet. Oh yeah, that's a you're gonna break that, dude. Dude.
That's a little.
Next time, don't use a 3/8.
It was a 3/8.
It must have had a full battery pack on it.
I might need to heat it up. Just either A, don't hurt yourself, or strip my.
Please fall. Dude.
Nate, you the man.
Gonna eat my Wheaties.
I hope the top one's better than the bottom one was.
I hope so too.
Right now I'm seeing why. Oh my God, you're gonna eat the. Oh, you snapped it. Did you snap it?
No.
Oh, what? That was anticlimactic compared to the bottom.
Well,
maybe you broke it loose when the socket went flying.
Gonna get that dust shield off.
I'll even catch it for you.
You had one job.
Sorry, Mike.
You take this axle nut off.
Ooh, that looks a little loose.
Yeah. It's what I've used in the past. It's a 36 millimeter. So this is either going to come right off or it's going to fight tooth and nail like Nate's caliper bracket.
Where's the
Pry bar.
I got it.
But you're going to rip your fingers out.
Do you understand the strength of this fingers?
Okay. I stand corrected.
It moves. It's moving.
It's moving.
It's pushing back out.
That's good though. At least it's moving.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hurt my thumb a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, now I got to do it.
Oh, there you go. I knew you could do it,
Now
buddy.
I feel better.
I'm gonna go check on Nate. Boy, Nate's keep it up, right on pace. Ooh, his moves with 2 thumbs. Oh, you had to do the 1 thumb too?
Everybody else did the 1 thumb, so.
I broke his loose for him.
I would say I have a bit of a handicap. I'm sorry, Nate.
Dude, I'd say you're a bit handicapped too. The laugh in the background. Classic.
I guess I can't argue.
So what are we doing? I can't even see what we're doing because you're taking up all the camera room.
Sorry.
We're taking the tie rod off now?
Tie rod's next. I just pulled the cotter pin out.
All right. You got an impact. Good job.
A little baby. Will it work?
Yeah, it will. That's a good tie rod yet. Nate's gonna manhandle it. He doesn't want no stinking stand.
I would really rather you not risk, you know.
Look at that. He said, take your stand and shove it, Mike.
He did.
Where's your castle mark?
If you take your stand and put it under here, it does make it a lot easier. You don't have to manhandle it. But sometimes you just have to show your dominance. Stick the tip of it in.
Just the tip.
What was so funny about that, Michael?
Nothing.
Oh, that didn't take long. Good job, Mike.
Oh, something in my knuckle just popped.
Was that your knuckle?
Yes.
I heard that. I don't know if I heard that on camera.
It kind
but
of hurt a lot, actually.
that sounded like an old man groan if I ever heard one.
Oh.
Don't smash your sensor. The whole ball joint turn? Did you get lucky? The ball joint didn't turn?
It's not turning now.
That's good.
That's very good.
Hey! Do you want to put something under the arm? Would it make you feel better?
It would make me
I
feel-
see how nervous you are.
I'm very nervous. I hate pressure. Anything with pressure.
Ah! That was terrifying. Yeah, that one was definitely shot.
Oh, yeah.
Can
There's a nice hole.
Wiggle it just a little bit. Yep, that one shot.
She gone. Now let's get this lower guy off and get this whole thing out of the way, and then we can start swapping ball joints. That's not what I wanted to do. That is.
Wiggle it just a little bit. There you go. Look at that. Voila.
We are getting ready to push this out. I got the snap ring out. We got our spacers all set up. There's like a little lip under here. You want to make sure that this spacer goes up like so. And it slides into the hole there.
That's holes.
That's holes. And if you can do it without dropping everything, it's really nice.
Watch those. And voila! One crusty old ball joint out.
And it was crusty.
And it was old.
Time for the lower ones. Goes.
Mike's got everything cleaned up. Look at how nice and shiny he made it. He's such a shiny boy.
Not too bad. Now we're going to install the top one first. As per Kryptonite instructions, and I'm not 100% sure on any other brands, there's a little dot on the top. And they say this little dot needs to face out toward the tire. You want that to be open on the bottom, which that one appears to be. And then you just find one on the top, a spacer on the top. That went in really easy.
I was just about.
Okay, well now all we need is the clip.
That is not supposed to happen.
No. No, it is not. I have faith. All right, let's do this.
Mike's ready to press in the bottom one. And voila. We have a pressed in ball joint. Nice and tight, nice and flat.
We gotta make sure we put our grease fitting in it, or for those that also call it a Zerk fitting. What do you prefer to call it?
I'm a grease fitting kind of guy,
I've been the same.
but we can Zerk it.
So we are also replacing the sway bar end links, and I'm grabbing the top, which is actually a nut for this end link.
All right, can this little guy do it?
Why didn't you just grab the big guy right off the bat?
Because he wanted to see if the little guy could do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
You underestimated the little guy.
I did underestimate the little guy.
Me too.
And just so everybody knows, that is the first bolt that Mike's ever taken out. Or so he says.
That is the first sway bar end link I've ever done that has just come out. Ever. These mammoth guys with poly bushings are going to replace the ones I just took out.
What's the brand name?
7 Saturdays Motorsports, and I got them from yours truly, eBay. New bushing with lube in it.
New bracket. Alright, we got the bushings on.
Yeah.
They're just tacked up in there. And now we're going to put the links back on.
Okay. Just gonna tighten it up.
Beautiful.
Cool.
On to the spindle.
Remember when Mike was able to push this down by hand? You're not supposed to do that, and we...
It's really loose now.
Yeah, so we are going to change out this whole upper control arm now.
So that one was the one I had. And I did some pondering, and Ricky did some criticizing, and Nate did some suggesting. And both of them were correct in assuming that this was not a good idea to put this guy on. So we went to our local parts store, and we bought a brand new replacement with a ball joint already pressed. I am going to just use this ball joint because it's already in.
Oh, that looks tight, huh? Tight like a tiger. Why are all your bolts so tight? Did Chad do it?
And you snapped it.
Oh, I was gonna say don't stop that.
Ow!
Oh, watch your brake lines, man.
Oh, yeah.
And voila.
That's one bad, unfortunate control arm gone.
Yep.
See? Aren't you happy, man?
I would have been happier if that ball joint just went in, because we would have been done with this by now.
Oh, probably a couple hours ago.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, on for the new control arm. Oh, we need to make looks like you are through on this side.
And yes, although you guys can't see it on camera, we did mark this. We're just going to make it close, but he is going to get a wheel alignment.
Yeah.
Chad, you up.
Yeah, don't over tighten that bolt again, Chad. No, I'm just kidding. That was probably just rusty. And
Probably
stuff.
very rusty.
But I'm going to blame it on Chad anyway.
I don't think it was Chad.
All right, it was Nate.
I don't think it was Nate either.
Can I blame it on somebody? It wasn't me.
Just blame me. It's my truck. Just blame me. You were going to eventually anyway. You know you were.
Well, I thought about it next, but I wasn't going to go there.
Are you going to go there now?
Yep, it's your fault.
Okay.
You will never have to change these again because this truck will see its better days by then.
What are you saying?
But these ball joints are going to last you forever until the truck rusts apart.
No, she'll stay around a long time.
Yeah,
She's a good old
a
truck.
couple of years.
Wow.
Now you got to put that ball joint in, the CV shaft.
Yeah, the best way to go about
Have a
it
friend
is
do it.
Have help.
help.
Have help. Something's caught. There we go. That was my finger, but it's okay.
You didn't need that one. You got 9 others.
Yep, I got 9 hours.
So many arms I can't see what's going on. There we go.
Ask and you shall receive.
There we go. Just need a little wiggle. Need a wiggle.
Okay.
Beautiful. He had to pull down on that just to, because I kept spinning, because they gave him a lock nut instead of a castle nut. Ooh.
Come on.
Ah.
Let's get this out of the way. Oh, that helps.
Mike is torquing down that to what spec there, bud?
37 foot-pounds.
And Mike is putting the final touches on here.
We did torque that axle nut to 177 foot-pounds. So what did we learn?
We learned that doing ball joints can go from bad to worse to extra worse. Well, I had fun. Did you have fun?
Yes and no.
You're supposed to say yes. Because that was another day on Twisted Edition. See you later, guys.
Later.
Adios.